Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new quick tip video in Blender. And the quick tip is a time saver, and it's also probably one of my favorite things that I found so far in Blender. Now, if you are worried about efficiency, then you probably want to speed up your workflow whenever possible, okay? Now, of course, you have tons and tons of tools in Blender, and if you want to be fast, then you're probably using shortcuts. So instead of going over here with your mouse and using whatever shortcut there is, right, you can go in and put it in a quick favorites menu. How does that work? Well, you go to the tool that you want to use. Let's say this one right here, extrude region. You're going to right click, add to quick favorites. I'm going to do the same for inset faces. I'm going to do the same for bevel because I use all of these on a regular basis, right? Now, let's say you're, I don't know, you're up here. You got your cube selected. The only thing you have to do is hit the Q for quick favorites and then select whatever you want to do. Hit bevel, for example. And there you go. And you can do the same in the object menu. So right now we're in the edit menu, or edit mode, I should say. Go to object mode, right? Now here, for example, you have the move tool, you got the rotate tool, you got the scale tool, but you can also choose the transform tool. And when you do that, you have your entire gizmo available. So I don't have to switch, I can do anything from this menu right here, but I also want this to be in my quick menu. So what I'm going to do is right click, add to quick favorites, and with this guy selected, I only have to hit Q on my keyboard and then click on it. There you go. Pretty neat, right? If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'd love to see you guys again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.